and today we are going to talk about factors influencing consumers' buying behavior. Before getting into the depth of the content, we need to know what is consumers' buying behavior. Consumers' buying behavior means buying behavior of final consumers like households and individuals who buy goods and services for their personal consumption. All these final consumers combine to make up consumer market. Consumer purchases are influenced strongly by cultural, social, personal and psychological factors. For the most part, marketers cannot control such factors, but they must take them into account. So first of all, let's talk about cultural factors. Cultural factors exert a broad and deep influence on consumer behavior. The marketers need to understand the role played by buyers' culture, subculture and social class. Let's give a brief overview about each of them. Culture. The set of basic values, perceptions, wants and behaviors learned by a member of society from family and other important institutions. Every group or society has a culture, and cultural influences on buying behavior may vary greatly from country to country. Failure to adjust to these differences can result in ineffective marketing or embarrassing mistakes. Subculture. A group of people with shared value systems based on common life experiences and situations. Social class. Relatively permanent and ordered divisions in a society whose members share similar values, interests and behavior. Now let us talk about social factors. A consumer's behavior also is influenced by social factors such as consumer's small group, family and social and status. Let's talk about group. Two or more people who interact to accomplish individual or mutual goals. Many small groups influence a person's behavior. Groups that have a direct influence and to which a person belongs are called membership groups. In contrast, reference groups serve as direct or indirect points of comparison or reference in forming a person's attitude or behavior. People often are influenced by reference groups to which they do not belong. Opinion leader. Person within a reference group who because of special skills, knowledge, personality or other characteristics exerts social influence on others. Marketers of brand subjected to strong group influence must figure out how to reach opinion leaders, people within a reference group who because of special skills, knowledge, personality or other characteristics exert social influence on others. Online social networks. Online social communities, blogs, social networking, websites or even virtual worlds where people socialize or exchange information and opinions. Family. Family members can strongly influence buyers' behavior. The family is the most important consumer buying organization in society and it has been researched extensively. Marketers are interested in the roles and influence of the husband, wife and children on the purchase of different products and services. Roles and status. A person belongs to many groups, family, clubs or organization. The person's position in each group can be defined in terms of both roles and status. A role consists of the activities people are expected to perform according to the persons around them. Each role carries a status reflecting the general esteem given it by the society. People usually choose products appropriate to their roles and status. The stages through which families might pass as they mature over time. Marketers often define their target markets in terms of life cycle stages and develop appropriate products and marketing plans for each stage. Occupation. A person's occupation affects the goods and services bought. Blue-collar workers tend to buy more rugged work clothes, whereas executives buy more business suits. Marketers try to identify the occupational group that have an can even specialize in marketing products needed by a given occupational group. Now, let's talk about lifestyle. People coming from the same subculture, social class and occupation may have quite different lifestyles. Lifestyles is a person's pattern of living as expressed in his or her psychographics. It involves measuring consumers, measure AIO dimensions, that is activities, interests and opinions. Lifestyle captures something more than the person's social class or personality. It profiles a person's whole pattern of acting and interacting in the world. Psychological factors. A person's buying choices are further influenced by four major psychological factors. that are motivation, perception, learning, beliefs and attitudes. Let's talk about motivation. A person has many needs at any given time. Some are biological, arising from states of tension such as hunger, thirst or discomfort. Others are psychological, arising from the need for recognition, esteem or belonging. A need becomes a motivation when it is aroused to sufficient level of intensity. A motive is a need that is sufficiently information in an individual way. Perception is the process by which people select, organize and interpret information to form a meaningful picture of the world. Learning. When people act, they learn. Learning describes changes in an individual's behavior arising from experience. Learning theories say that most human behavior is learned. Learning occurs through the interplay of drives, stimuli, cues, responses and reinforcement. A drive is a strong internal stimulus that calls for action. A drive becomes a motive when it is directed towards a particular stimulus object. Beliefs and attitudes. Beliefs. A descriptive thought through a person holds about something. Attitude. A person's consistently favorable or unfavorable evaluation, feeling and tendencies towards an object or item.